In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Udemy instructor in just 5 minutes. Starting a journey as a Udemy instructor is an exciting opportunity to share your knowledge and skills with learners from all around the globe. Udemy offers a platform where anyone skilled in a particular area can develop and publish a course, making it accessible to millions. Whether you're looking to share your expertise, build your personal brand, or generate some extra income, Udemy provides the tools you need to achieve your goals. First things first, you'll need to log into your Udemy account. To do this, head to the Udemy homepage and click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. It's important to note that if you haven't created a Udemy account yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. There's an option to sign up using various methods, but one of the quickest ways is to use your Google account by clicking on the Google icon. This method streamlines the login process by linking your Udemy account with your Google account. Once you've clicked on the Google icon, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use for this. Select the account you prefer and proceed. If you're logged into multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one you want associated with your Udemy instructor profile. Having successfully logged in, you're ready to embark on your instructor journey. Look for the Teach on Udemy option, which is typically located at the bottom of the site or through the main navigation bar. Clicking this will lead you to a dedicated section for instructors. Here you'll find a Get Started button. This is your portal to becoming a Udemy instructor. Clicking it kicks off the process. Udemy values a diverse pool of instructors, so don't shy away from sharing your unique experiences and background. You will be prompted to answer, what kind of teaching have you done before? This question isn't meant to deter newcomers, but rather to tailor your onboarding experience. Whether you've taught in traditional classrooms, led workshops, or are completely new to teaching, there's room for you on Udemy. Continue answering the subsequent onboarding questions. These inquiries help Udemy understand more about you and how they can support your course creation journey. It's also an opportunity for you to reflect on how you want to present your course and what goals you have in mind. Next, you'll need to complete your instructor profile. This includes adding a biography and a profile photo. Think of your profile as your Udemy identity. It's what students will see when deciding whether to enroll in your course. A clear professional photo and a biography that highlights your expertise and experience can make a significant difference. Finally, add a payment method. It's a crucial step, as this is how you'll receive your earnings from the courses you sell. Udemy offers various payout options, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Completing this step also serves as part of the verification process, ensuring that instructors on the platform are genuine and committed. Becoming a Udemy instructor is a rewarding endeavor. It allows you to share your knowledge, connect with learners worldwide, and even earn money. The key is to create engaging, informative courses that help students achieve their learning goals. Always remember to promote your courses to reach a wider audience and gather feedback to continually improve your offerings. We've covered the basics today, but remember, creating a successful Udemy course is a journey. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making a meaningful impact through online education. Don't forget, Udemy's instructor resources are there to help you through every step of the process, from planning your course to marketing it to the right audience. Thank you for joining me today. If you're excited to share your skills with the world, there's no better time to start than now. With persistence and passion, you'll soon be an integral part of the Udemy community, helping learners achieve their dreams and enriching lives through education. Good luck on your journey, and here's to your success as a Udemy instructor.